Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to customize your Wings online store. So let's dive in. First up, log into your Wings account and open your website in Wings Studio. If you haven't created your store yet, just click on the Create New Site right there at the top right, then click on Studio Template. Now here, you just have to choose an online store. So go to Category, go to Type, and select E-commerce. And you will find a bunch of templates that you can choose from. So basically, I'm going to select one here and then click on the edit button to get it started. Now here, to basically customize the layout of your store, you just have to click on the store page. For example, here, you can click on the layout. For example, here on the home page. And then here on the right sidebar, you will find an options to basically edit or change the layout into rows, or you want like columns. And then here on the right sidebar, you will find a layout section where you can manage the position, basically the direction and the alignment of the elements on your website. So make sure that you choose from this different layouts so you can select one that best suits your needs. Next, let's customize a product page. So let's go and scroll down to this page, and here is the product page. So as you can see, now you can click on it and you just choose the options where you can manage it. So here we have manage products and settings. So we're going to click on the settings button. And as you can see, you will find an options to design and change the layout, for example, or basically the text. Or maybe you can change the design. You want to change the product cards, for example, and also the product info, name and price divider. And then you can go to filters, sorting, quick view, and manage. So you can use all the tools to make your product page like visually appealing and easy to navigate. Now we can also add custom sections here to your product page, like custom reviews or related products that can enhance the shopping experience. So your storefront is the first thing customers see, so it's important to make a great impression here. So make sure if you're going to change something in this page, so just select any of the elements here, and then you can use the design tool to customize. For example, here you can customize the background video, and also you can customize the header. As you can see, the header, and also the promotional images, text to highlight your products, and also some of the offers on your page. So you can check also your footer and the main content area. So Wings allows you to add some of the various elements to your store pages, such as buttons, menus, and forms. So to add element, click on the plus icon at the top left, and here you can basically select any of the element that you want to add. And then here you can customize it using the design tools. So simply drag and drop the element here on your page. Now to organize the products into collection to make it easier for customers to find what they are looking for. So as you can see, we have just categorized it. So just I need to make a collections and name your collections and add the relevant products right here. You can also customize the layout and design of each collection page. So you can also customize the checkout page to match the rest of your store's design. You just need to go to checkout page in your Wing Studio, then use the design tools to change the layout, also the colors and the fonts, and make sure the checkout process is clear and user friendly. Now to basically maintain a consistent look on your store, you can customize the font and colors. Just go to the sidebar, then choose the font that you want or colors, then select your brand fonts and color palette to apply them to your entire site. Now, before publishing your site, preview your online store to ensure everything looks and work as expected. And see here your site in action. And if you're satisfied with the customization, just click on the publish button at the top right to make your store live. And that's it. You've learned how to customize your Wings online store. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more web design and tips and tutorials. So thank you and see you on the next video.